What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the beta. We're going to install the MOTOES Radiator guards, more hardcore for hard enduro, to get this thing ready for all the rocky roads. Let's get started. All right, now that we got all the screws out, should be able to pull off the fender. Looks like to pull out this radiator, you got these little tabs. You just kind of push in, you should be able to squeeze it out. While I have the tank exposed, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of clean it up. All right, so we're gonna grab our Moto radiator guards and just kind of take it apart. All right, guys, so it looks like we're gonna have to remove the exhaust pipe. Let's go ahead and do that as well. The back side of this here, now I'm going to move this over and see if this fits. Perfect, should fit, no problem. All right, the other side is done. Had a little bit of technical difficulties. However, that was my fault. I was putting these guys backwards. So yeah, let's get the right side on. Radiator back in place. We have the hoses tightened all around. Now we just need to put the front support here. All right, guys, the MOTOES is officially installed. All we have to do now is put the tank back and the fairings. And we'll do that in 3, 2, 1. Last thing we need to do is add the coolant back in. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Let me show you guys how it looks. You have full coverage inside, underneath. There's the other side of the MOTOES. I do love the black. I feel like the black complements the theme that I'm going for. Here is the other side. And no clearance issues turning left and right. So I think it looks sick. Super excited how it looks. finally have some protection, so I'm now good to go, hard enduring, and yeah, potentially taking this thing up to like Moab and other cool places. So just trying to get the most protection possible. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.